Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Sonata versus Verna. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand which sedan might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from their overall size and engine performance to their price points and available features. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what each car offers, making your decision much easier. When it comes to performance, the Sonata typically boasts larger engines, with some variants offering a robust 2.5-liter turbocharged engine producing up to 290 horsepower. The Verna, a compact sedan, focuses on efficiency, delivering impressive mileage of up to 20.6 kilometers per liter. Price-wise, the Verna is a more budget-friendly option, starting at around $11,000, whereas the Sonata, a mid-size sedan, begins at approximately $28,000. Size is a major differentiator. The Sonata is a mid-size sedan, offering more interior space and a longer body, measuring around 4,820 millimeters in length. The Verna, a compact sedan, is more agile, with a length of about 4,535 millimeters. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced technology and safety features, including multiple airbags. However, the Sonata, being in a higher segment, often provides a more luxurious cabin experience and additional standard amenities. Safety is paramount in both models. The Verna has earned a commendable 5-star global NCAP safety rating, providing excellent protection. The Sonata also features strong safety ratings and a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The Verna offers great value and efficiency in a compact package, while the Sonata provides more power, space, and premium features. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.